let's see how to indent the first line of each paragraph automatically in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to indent the first line of each paragraph. So that includes this paragraph, this paragraph, this paragraph, until the very end. So normally what we can do is simply click on Tab at the beginning of each paragraph. And while that may look fast, there is an even faster method to do this. Now simply highlight all of those paragraphs and click on the Home tab. And right here, expand your paragraph settings. That will open up this window. Now under indentation, click on Special and click on First Line. And here, you can set the size of your indentation. Now let's go ahead and click OK. And as you can see, that automatically indents the first line of all your paragraphs in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.